2001 Pontiac Sunfire. If your lights that light this up for your indicator do not work, it's actually this plug right here. I just got another replacement bulb. It's a 194. Turn the switch on. What do you know? Lights up. We'll put it back in its place. The challenge is getting here. Now, let's see if it works. Alright, so with the light off, I know you can't see it because of the camera, but anyway, 194 bulb that's right in here, lights those up, and now we are in good shape. This one is very hard to video because you have to take the console out to get at it. There's almost no way of getting it in there, and I really don't have a lot of room to film here. And then you're gonna hear the beeping in the background and to line everything back up here. And get the brake in. Okay. Need that other hand to get it all in. But got all the bolts lined up. There is a gasket involved here that goes around the shifter. That's this guy. So we get him back in the right way. That kind of holds everything in. And then the rest is pretty much explanatory. Put the bolts back in. Don't really need this long of extension for this one, but same way with here. But the one in here you do, because it's all the way down there. Get them started. Alright, now, same as before, put that little cover back in to cover that up. I may need my other hand to put that back in there. See if we can get it started here. Yeah, I think I might need my other hand, and I need to move the shifter. I guess that really doesn't matter, but anyway, pretty much straightforward here, but this thing is very, very stiff. I might have to lube it up to get it back in there. Sorry for the moving around, but I actually have that thing almost in there. I see there's a lip. Have a look at that thing. I think we might take and lube it up. Let's sort it around this way and see what happens. I think it goes the other way. It looks like it just kind of popped out of there when took it out. Yeah, there's a... One is more narrow than the other, but we'll get this back in there. Alright, working with the screwdriver a little bit and using both hands, I got that back in. So here's a little bit of a view when your shifter light goes out. This is on a 2001 Pontiac Sunfire. So some other vehicles might be the same. I do know some Jeeps years ago I had replaced one that when the light goes out in here, you actually have to replace the whole shifter. So that's unfortunate. But in this case, this was a really somewhat easy fix, but really not, because I actually fought with that more. I had to loosen up all the bolts and everything to put it back in. But I'll get this tightened down. But thanks for watching. This is GMAC. Like, subscribe, and remember, we'll see you in the next video. And keep on wrenching.